Hi, this is Michael from Logic Hop, and I wanted to show you something really cool that we've recently added to Logic Hop. This is the ability to do lead scoring. Lead scoring is really just a number that you can use to keep track of the score for your visitors. In this instance, we want to apply a score to our visitors as they come through different pages on our site and download different content. We've set up a really basic page here which just says check out our great courses, and we have a lead score of 0. I want to show you what we're doing on the actual page itself. So we're going to jump into our landing page. And we're doing this backwards. I kind of wanted to show you the course page first and then jump in and show you the landing page. So on the landing page itself, what we have in Logic Hop is the ability to assign a lead score to the page. So for this page, I'm going to assign a lead score of 1, and I'm going to increment that on every page view. So that's in place. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on a link here to the landing page. Typically a user would come here from an ad campaign or a referral link. So here I am on the landing page, and we should know that the user is going to get a lead score of 1. So now I'm going to go back to view courses, and we should have a lead score of 1. We're using Logic Hop to dynamically display the lead score. Now if I go back to the landing page, and then I click view courses again, there we go. The user has a lead score of 2, and that's because we're incrementing the lead score on every view. With Logic Hop, we do have the ability to increment lead scores on every view, increment it on the first view only. That means the first time the user has viewed the page, or increment the first view each session. That means anytime the user comes back to the site for a new session, say they close out their browser. Now this on a new session typically only works if you have a Logic Hop data plan. First view only will work as the user is on your site for one time. If they keep reloading that landing page, they're only going to get a lead score of 1. Increment on every view obviously does that. So if I scroll down here, the other thing that we've assigned is a goal. So we have a goal that says on click, anytime the element my-ebook is clicked, we're going to set a goal called ebook downloaded. So let's take a look at that. We simply have a media item inserted from WordPress, just through the standard add media. It's a zip file. But the important thing is that we gave it a class called my-ebook, and that simply syncs it up to our JavaScript code here that says anytime any element with my ebook is clicked, we're going to trigger this goal. Now the goal that we have here is pretty cool. It's very simple. It is ebook downloaded. We can give it any name we want. But the important thing is that we have a lead score assigned to the goal. And you'll see that I have this set to increment on first complete only. So I think it's really valuable if a user downloads my ebook, I'm going to give it a lead score of 10 and only increment it one time. So let's take a look at how that actually works. If I come in, we're on our check out our great courses page. When I go back to landing page, that again increments my lead score by 1. So my score is currently 3. But now when I click download the free ebook, there it goes, saves the ebook. And I go back to view courses, my score should be 13. So we're using that lead score to really track our value of the user. I think somebody is more valuable as they go throughout my site if they have a higher lead score. And you'll see one of the things I added here is sign up today and save 20% with coupon code ACTNOW. And the reason I want to do that is I want to message somebody specifically because they have a higher lead score. I think they're ready to act, so I can offer them new content and new messaging. To see how we've done that, really have a simple condition that says lead score plus 10. So I've defined it and said if a lead score is greater than or equal to 10, then we can show content. The way I've done that on my courses page is really just with this simple Logic Hop condition. So I use the condition palette, selected my lead score plus 10, and inserted that in. And what that means is if the user has a lead score less than 10, they'll never see this sign up message. Once they download the ebook, we can then message them and show them coupons. One thing neat about this is as the user goes throughout your site, you can constantly set that lead score and change values. Another thing you can also do is you can subtract from a lead score, so you can set that on every view. So if I'm saying a user has a -5, I'm actually reducing their lead score. So you can use this as the user goes throughout your site and performs different actions to really keep track of anything that you want to do with regards to lead score. I hope this is interesting. Lead scoring is a really powerful tool. If you have any questions, email me at info@logichop.com. Thanks.